Big up Crosses TV.
Right, Crissy TV. Our Crissy TV are over here. Crissy TV, big up your damn self. But ask you. The man lick and broke you up and abuse a girl.
Bad people on the buy the budget for $1.99. Only the talk no
also,
more.
You couldn't sleep and I come and take everything from your blood. I don't know
brother, make left some fillet. Yeah, left some fillet to call this a head blood clot line. Headline. Boy, one thing with you can't get the story them do. Where you come from, man? One thing with you, man, we have to
legit story. No talk big belly blood clot. You talk blood clot. Hey, with Jerry, we're gonna say we're gonna help Crissy. Pussy one dirty Jerry, we're gonna help Crissy. We're gonna bring down your bumbo blood clot, Jerry. You me and your blood clot, yeah. Jerry, we're gonna bring you down. You're a batty blood clot, man. Can you take up the girl? You take up the girl with her pitney them. And for you take her up and stop, take her for your blood clot fool. What make you couldn't come ramp with me with my tight body. And I name me out just a big belly blood clot, man. Me don't name her out.
Remember him saying I'll get me a your friend.
What did he do her?
To go.
Broke up her hand, fight her up and put her out and take with the pitney them and call CPS spanner. She call the government people and panel and tell the people that she's not a good mother. And she have to run right now. She lock up in a hotel. She lock up in me have Crissy contacts, my love. She lock up in a hotel and have to hide and have to reach out to people. Jay, you have to go down. Cause me now hide them story and them story abuse. You can kill her if you kill her with me. I gonna know say me I gonna say me didn't know say this I go and me love and me don't put a stop into it. I me never come out come make it be public. Jay, you have to go down. Cause you
but when
kill her, you can't keep them some silent. Yes, on a private life, but when it comes to the abusiveness, it has to be known. If me yes, on down there, I have a disagreement,
right,
and she didn't want to by herself, my owner never compare with it. But guess what? You down there try to take out the woman pitney. If you go get government money for a woman blood clot pitney, big belly J, you have to go down.
And him already get a check for Crissy, because when you're in the military and you're married, you get one separate check for your wife. But you what no? No woman never really
big up yourself, Joseph.
Submissive the word. I sub
Blinga.
Guys, badge,
Blinga.
buy some badge. Only tell the people them say you're hungry now.
Guys, don't worry about me smoke. Let me tell you this. Crissy is very slow. She's my friend. And I'm not saying this to discriminate her or to lower her self-esteem or her character. But as a female, you gotta be fucking strong. You can't be that slow, girl.
But you know this long time.
Thank you guys so much for purchasing the badge.
Badge people,
She's slow, girl. She's slow. And when you're slow, man will use you.
Yeah.
But
find
out, girl,
stop
find
this.
out that the
Too
girl is a
fucking wicked. I don't know what he's looking.
For anything. If she get $100, she show a strong appreciation fee. Like, thank you so much, and I wish you would smile and the things them. She take that Jay take them something for disadvantage because Jay knows in America you can't give a girl $50 and them smile.
Crissy, sorry for cuss you, but yeah,
Mighty God.
Sorry.
But yeah, but the truth, girl, I have to tell people what it
Crissy,
is.
we're gonna help.
I feel sorry for Crissy right now.
Oniel,
right now, girl, I'm going to run out and pick up a
her.
donation for Crissy name and the kids them. And I just go. Wherever she is, if she want to reach out to me for the money so she can reach back home to New York, fine. Because girl, me, she can't go back at the mother house.
No, we have to...
Girl, remember she had got
Why
to
she
the
can't go back
girl,
at the mother house?
girl, me never did up on the phone one time, girl. When me that talk to her, and at the same time when me and Jay got it and she called me and we had talk for squash down the argument for done. Remember, you never hear the mother in the background and cuss out blood clot. Jay said, Jay, all dirty, batty, blood clot, man, mama, man. Bumba clot, dirty mama, man. They take a marry the internet every day and cuss like a batty, man. The mother know
guys,
me.
share the live, because this need crowd.
The
Everybody have
mother know me a batty, man. So the mother hear me and Jay in the argument. The mother surprised.
Crissy TV. Run it again, headline, Oniel. Make Crissy TV get that one. Everybody have
go
to hear
on,
this.
the mother ban her from the yard, my dear. The mother ban her from the yard.
Record record Crissy TV when I arrest. This is Beauty Blinga and Oniel Farrell. Recording. Talk Oniel. Headline the story Oniel. Crissy TV there.
Turn on the camera, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. You ready, Crissy TV? You type ready because we have to hear all them dirty, nasty laundry.
Oniel.
Oniel. I'm video, my love. I'm come up here about the abuse of Crissy in and the lock up. She lock up in the hotel and the film.
Oniel, them say I get paid $100 for come up on live contact these things.
That never thing for do make it pay a long time for do everything. Then I work me I work. I want to take this far. The news my bring. They pay you $100. What a scam. You pay me an next 100 to come up on the name.
Come up on the live.
See cash out the tell the man to send me 100 extortion. The father don't want you can go with the detective. Me I start in 100 to stop calling the name. Look at no 10,000.
No, I don't have it. You can continue because I don't even know what this is for. So,
30.
Pin the cash
people understand
Oniel
blood clot.
Listen, people understand Oniel $20 please.
This your blood sugary.
And I'm gonna understand Oniel, pin Oniel cash out.
You don't want no money from the corner now, so Miss Camona blood clot, keep on money over there summer. Alright.
Other people that have comments $20. Cause them just say you get paid $100.
Me never tell you some come over come sing for free.
For them just tell us
me get $300 I need 200 more. That's 5 years before me come off of that topic. The topic you're at.
Oh gee, this is how I sound all the time.
Remember, your man want fame, you know, especially a dirty Batman, him love internet. So why that go on right now, I love him enjoy. The same come show him face, and I show for him, I show for him, Batman, J. Listen, when J. fuck him, she push up on him, Batman,
people are ugly. I'm very ugly. I'm ugly.
J is taking body, you need to test J with one spoon. You need to cock up J and looking at him, Batman, if it still look tiny or if it rub out.
That's not my business.
Cause this not right.
My husband is not gay.
Crissy,
my husband is not gay.
Crissy, America, you live every man a fuck Batty. So you and a Yankee. And him now get straight to me.
Cause only like I feel like at this point now, like you come on the live, you say all these things. Now you come on and
you calling to tell me your story. And your husband calling for angle me and come show me evidence that she has send me a Beauty Blinga and I go give police. With a response. Jay can't sue nobody.
Yeah, but
Jennifer go sue him sugar blood. But you better not get diabetes because I'm not over them like I'm not feed for the big sugar, I'm not feed for America.
What me I gonna do is when me come out for the live, me I go up on my real page and me I go up on the UCSI site and I go screenshot my papers gone in and I go screenshot it.
But it better feel you can see Voa, you don't need him. Voa. You see what you go through right now? Get a lawyer and tell him that you're abusing right now. You get what?
That is it. Even
Jay go sit down with a batty yourself. Crissy, you don't need a dirty batty man to get your papers.
Oniel, even if you know some can go see Voa with whatever reason, you feel
remember
like
we talk about this in private before. We talk about this in private before.
You and your sister never need.
He's a bad person.
Yeah, your sister
don't make people them think he's a bad person. Crissy, from the first time the man do the wrong thing, I would talk on the phone. Hold on.
No,
we talk about this privately before.
No, wait.
Crissy,
you are set. Listen up. Wait. You are set. Listen. Oniel, no. Stop it now. Let me talk.
Well, I know. Let me get a chance.
Let me get a chance. No. You hold on. No, you hold on. Let me talk. Me talk.
This is up in our house, you know. I'm going to tell you, I keep them recording on my phone in case
you need
to be a boy. So don't go like me. I'm going to talk about this in a private.
Hold on.
I have advice now with Jay.
Oniel.
Jay advice